Welcome back everyone to the channel for another video. This is Q50 Beast. Today we got a special video for you. Last Friday I performed at the Virginia Motorsports Park Gunslinger Shootout, and you'll get to see me and my 2022 Dodge Challenger Scatpack in the semifinals round for this particular race. We're putting down 275s in the rear. We upgraded from 245s to 275s. And as you will quickly see here, that is not enough rubber on the road to put down for this car. We launched the car at 1200 RPMs, the lowest setting that you can launch the car with. And it's still just not enough. So this is the semifinal run, and I'm running against a car that runs 10 seconds. So we dialed in our ET at 13. This was our first time on the track with this car. You may hear me out of breath because I literally had to sprint to the car because I was going to miss the race. But as you see, decent launch here, but just spinning all the way. The Challenger is getting up and down the track as well as it can, but you quickly see that 10-second car just speed by us. But it was a very, very fun run. We'll work on a better camera angle for the GoPro the next time that we get out here. But yeah, just a very, very nice run, and you'll start to see more videos like this here on this channel and our shared channel, SRT 392 Productions. So we'll go ahead and in a second and cut away to the race so that you can see firsthand how I was spanked by this Mustang. The Mustang did a really, really good job. He ended up winning the tournament. But this is us here getting to the staging lanes and getting ready. So again, that's myself with the 22 Dodge Challenger Scatpack. First time putting this thing on the track. And it was just a blast. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Q50 Beast. Peace out.